and I'm going to show you how to do another hot sauce on fire. This is the same recipe, but I'm showing you the second way that I use it. This recipe is very flexible. You can choose your kinds of peppers. I'm doing with all red this time. I have some cayenne peppers from the farmer's market and these little sweet bell peppers from the grocery store. Both red. That's very important to use the same color peppers, and I'm chopping them up here. Recipe calls for 1 onion chopped. All I had were these real tiny ones, so I used 4 tiny ones and chopped them real fine. I peeled and chopped 2 cups of the reddest tomatoes I could find. Again, it's real important to use the same color so that I get a real red sauce. Although my sauce did turn out pretty orange. I'm wondering if maybe they put some food dye in the ones from the store or something. But all right, my 2 cups of chopped tomatoes. 2 cloves of garlic, chopped really fine, were added during the cooking. After I cooked them down to soften a little bit, I used an immersion stick blender to blend it to a thick puree. After it's cooked down and pureed, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and half a cup of vinegar. I used apple cider vinegar. Fill your jars. We use little jelly jars. Wipe the rims real good. Put on your lids and process for 25 minutes in a boiling water bath. Rebel Canners is now on Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll get notification when we do our next video. Stick around. The best is yet to be.